Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Sportage SI, stock reference number 5268. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left fog light, left surround, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has 1 small dent, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, tidy rear puck sensor type bumper cover, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 large dent and 1 small dent, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.